Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am actually going to do a everyday kind of a makeup. It's not like going to be like something that I wear normally because I hardly go out now, and honestly I have been using or doing this makeup whenever I want to take pictures or whenever I'm filming a video. So that is why I'm going to do an updated kind of makeup look, my go-to makeup look. And I know my skincare videos do well than my makeup videos, and you guys love to see more skincare from me, but now and then I just like to take a break from skincare and do makeup too because I love makeup a lot. So let's get started. And also, if you're new, if you're seeing me for the first time, thank you so much for wanting to just hang out with me, and I would love if you could subscribe, and if you like the vibe here, stay and watch my other videos. Thank you so much. Let's get started. Okay, so first for primer, I'm using the Pac Moisture Lotion because I really love this honestly, and I have been using this for so long and I just want to have a good moisturizer. It's my primer. So I actually just have a lip balm on and I do not have anything else on my face. So I'm just going to use this Sugar foundation. It's in the shade 37 Freddo, and I have been really loving this foundation a lot. It just melts into my skin really well, and the shade is a perfect match. So I really have been loving this foundation a lot. I just want to address one thing, that whenever I am blending my foundation, I don't know, for some reason it always looks so pale on the camera, but it's not looking that pale in real life. It actually matches me perfectly. So now I'm going to use a concealer, and for concealer I'm using my favorite one right now, which is the Darling Isabella concealer, and I'm just putting a little bit on my under eye. I don't use a lot of foundation or concealer because I just feel like I don't want to look cakey at all. So just using a little bit. So after my base is done, I'm going to move in with my brows, and for brows I'm using a brow powder, and I'll be taking this shade right here to fill in my brows. I'll just speed up the process because I just can never talk and do my brows. So after my brows are done here, I am going to move in with my eyeshadow, and for eyeshadow I'm going to take the Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm going to take transition shade and going to put this on the outer corners of my eyes and just bring it in the inner parts as well. So for an everyday look, I always do like only 2 shadows and that's it. Like I have been loving just doing very minimal on the eyes as well. Before I used to apply a lot of eyeshadows, and I really love that from time to time, but for an everyday quick easy look, I just love a good 1 or 2 shades. So after that I'm going to take a deeper brown shade right here, and I'm just going to put this near my lash line here, as you can see, only in this area, and flickering it out. I just want this eye look to be very messy because that's what I like. Right now I'm just going to take the lightest shade in the palette and I am just putting this in the inner parts of my eyes. You can take even a compact powder for this if you have something that's very close to your skin tone. So after my eye look is done, I am going to just take a little bit of mascara and put this on. So now coming on to face, I haven't been using bronzers at all. I have been using liquid blush or blushes totally. So this is the Heena Beauty Lush Robe. This is actually a blush, lipstick and eyeshadow in one. You can use this for everything. And I'm using the shade Russet. So I'll just put 2 dots of it, a little bit on my nose as well. And take a brush here because I feel like this gives more coverage when you use a brush. So I'm just like dabbing it in. So this is how my face looks like. I'll just put a little bit of the blush in my temples here so that it just looks all blended and just overall looks good. So right now I just feel like I look like a clown always because I apply way too much blush. And right now actually I'm not using any highlighter nor I'm using bronzers because I feel like I just want to make my cheeks look very blushy, and that's it. I do not even like to go in with a highlighter these days because I just want my base makeup to be very glowy and dewy, and that's it. No highlighter at all. So this is how my base looks. Now I'm going to move on with my lips. For lips, I'm going to take the Wet n Wild lip liner in the shade Chestnut. Now I'm going to take the lipstick here, and this actually lipstick did cost me about 99 rupees, and this is an amazing nude. So I really have been loving this lipstick a lot, and obviously I'll do a lipstick video, a nude lipstick video under 100 rupees 100, so that's coming soon. So this is how my lips look. It looks very pinky on the, I don't know why. For some reason this looks very pinky, but this actually is very nude. So I am going to just go in with my lashes now. For lashes, I actually got these from Amazon, and as you can see, I did cut them in half. This one right here, the outer edge, I did cut it up. So right now I'm just placing the outer edge in my lashes. And wait, let me just show you how beautiful and natural it looks. Like, as you can see, my lashes instantly, they look very elongated, and that gives that foxy eye kind of an effect, which I love. And honestly, these feel very light on my lashes. I don't even feel like I'm wearing any lashes, and as you can see, it looks very natural at the same time. It looks like these are your own lashes. So I really have been loving this look a lot, and this is my go-to makeup look right now for taking pictures, and if I ever go out, this is my look. So thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I would love if you could subscribe. Thank you so much for all the love. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.